Hi, welcome to the Business Coach. My name is Michael Adai and I'm the Business Coach. Today, I want us to look at cash flow, the difference between cash inflow and cash outflow. But if today is the first time on my channel, please go down and hit the subscription button and the notification button for more. At the end of the video, if you also like it, hit the like button and share for others to enjoy. Now for the topic for today, cash inflow versus cash outflow. But what is cash flow? Cash flow basically is the movement of money in and out of a business or a company. So the coming in of money and going out of money, that is cash flow. Now the difference between cash inflow and cash outflow is that cash inflow are all monies that come into the business in the form of sales, investment, or financing. And cash outflow are all money that goes out of the business, mainly in forms of withdrawals or expenses or expenditure. Now, cash received signifies inflows and cash spent signifies outflows. The difference between cash inflow and cash outflow is termed net cash flow. And if inflow is more than outflow, that is surplus. However, if outflow is more than inflow, that is deficit. So basically, that is the difference between cash inflow and cash outflow. And again, if today is the first time you are watching my channel, please hit the notification button and then the subscription button for more. Kindly also share for others to enjoy. Thank you.